Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Fireside. We took a quick break because I was sick, and also everyone was in Portugal for the Livepeer Summit. And I heard, unfortunately, couldn't attend, but I heard it went super well. So I was super sad to miss out on meeting everybody in person. But we do have our cozy little community where we see each other weekly. So don't feel like I'm missing out on a ton. Apologies if I cough. I still have a few symptoms, but I do feel so much better. All right, let's get into it. So if you're watching and you don't know about Livepeer, please join our community. That is where everything happens. Our Discord is the heart of the network. So please scan the QR code, join the community, and connect with everybody on all the amazing things that Livepeer is doing. Next slide. Oh, I need to do my slides. Okay. Also, if you're interested in real-time video AI, Daydream API is available for builders. So if you're interested in creating anything real-time video AI related, please scan the QR code. And yeah, there's also a growing community. So join the Discord as well, and you can be with all the other people who are passionate about real-time video AI. All right, so a quick community update. One second, sorry. So for fees paid, as of last week, we had a near all-time high of $18,389 paid out on network, and that represents a 10.69% increase from last week. And again, the all-time high, just for people's recollection, is 19,132. So super exciting to see the network continuing to do so well in terms of network fees. We also are creeping slowly back up to our 50% desired participation rate. We're currently at 49.1% after a dip for the last 2 weeks. So again, for delegators and orchestrators, please continue to push on that and get that LPT delegated on the network. As a result, the inflation rate has begun to tick up again, and we are at 0.06975%. So those are the community updates on the network side. Additionally, folks who are in Portugal, please, in the Discord, share your experiences, share pictures if you took any. I think that will be super amazing to kind of showcase. And I know that Lizzie was going to be pushing all those updates out as well. Also, apologies, we're having technical difficulties, so I have to move the slides forward. The agenda here is small, no updates from Foundation today. We just have an update from Embody Network. So excited to have Define come up on stage. So please welcome up Define. Apologies, I might have to finagle this myself. 1 second. Okay. Welcome up, Define. Are you with us?
Hello, Anne. Hello, everyone.
Apologies. The person running it in the back end's internet is acting up. Welcome in, Define. How are you doing? How have you been?
Hello, and I'm doing very good. Very excited about meeting everyone in Cascais. A lot of really innovative people there. A lot of optimism. Really sad I couldn't meet you as well. Everyone was bummed.
I know it's a big bummer because I was sick and again I'm fine sharing, but I had pneumonia, so I was just like, my doctor didn't clear said I couldn't travel. I was really upset about it. But again, there will always be another summit, so hopefully, upcoming we will be able to all meet in person.
Absolutely. I would love to finally meet you in person, and you did the right thing. Just uh, take care and of yourself, and rest.
Right. All right. I'll let you take it away. Um, and yeah, excited to hear about how things at Embody have been going.
Yes. So the updates we have for everyone today are very tangible. We are gonna show you a live demo which we produced together with Dane at the Livepeer Summit in Cascais, and you will be able to see real-time interactivity, which was something we were working on for months. And outside of the live demo updates and the tech updates, which you will see, um, we want to let you know that we are developing our first commercial application. We currently have uh, 10 orchestrators in the embody pipeline which do the initiatives, and we're looking to switch again to bring your own container, which we're not currently using because of two bugs, but we will be able to push out the patch either this or the next week, and we're very excited for the embody pipeline and all the updates that are coming. If anyone has any questions regarding the embody updates, they can ask right now, or else I can move on with the live demo. Okay, it seems that there are not any questions, so I'm gonna um, go and launch the demo. It seems that, one second. Yep, here we are. Hope that you can see my screen. If you're able to see the stream, you're able to see this avatar over here. And this is an example application which we're gonna show you the interactivity. I made it very simple for this reason. This is, by the way, running on a remote orchestrator computer, the avatar that you see here. And this is a UI application in my private backend, like from the computer that I'm talking to you right now. Hello, how are you doing? Can you repeat again, please? I would like you to to give me a nice short story. Nice one. Oops. Nice one. I really like that story. Can you please tell me your name? Oh, sorry, you are Livy. Can you please teach me something interesting? No, I didn't know that octopus had three hearts. Is there any other interesting topic that you have in mind? I didn't know that as well, but that's very exciting to learn as well. I had so much fun talking with you. Is there something about your character that the people in the Livepeer community would like to know? You think they would like to know? I can go on and continue doing this kind of demo to show you guys what kind of user cases are possible. But I would also like you to see s- um demo of the capabilities of the game system and the system as a whole. So we have another mode as well, and this mode enables the avatar to output the discussion uh, directly from the browser. What you speak, it's outputted on the avatar. And we also have custom appearances. Dane has been working really hard to introduce a lot of customizability on the browser. And by the way, what you are looking, what you're looking at right now, let's revoke the microphone like for a bit. They have been working really hard on customizability, and so I prepared some real-time transformations, so you can actually choose your own avatar, and it sends live. We're looking to do it in a way that all you have to do is speak and describe how your character w- you would like to look like, and it will immediately transform the character. And also, what you're looking at right now, it's uh, it's real time, but it still has hops. So the speed that you are getting, it and it's very fast. It's a speed that you are getting with multiple hops because we are using API for text to speech. On the game side, we are also using API to transform the the voice into text, uh, speech to text, and we're also using OpenAI to create the dialogues that we send to the game endpoint to produce the speech. So all of that will be even faster once we're able to replace them basically with open source models, which will run in the orchestrator's machine instead of being API calls of closed source model. So there are a lot of things you can do with the game for configurability. I just want you to also see that all the avatars are able to speak, and I want to try also uh, doing a switch while it's still talking, and I haven't tested, so it will be really interesting to see what happens. Hello, can you tell me your name again? Can you tell me a medium a, a medium length story? Oh, so it doesn't work yet on live transformations, but it's really positive that we are able to get this kind of speed with so many hops and latency in the between. By the way, everything that you are
Define. You have a
looking.
question in chat
Mhm.
while you're refreshing. So Cosmic Crafter is asking, so you can use this for an actual VTuber avatar during a live performance.
Correct. Now, this is one to one, but with few changes, it can be autonomous too. So it can have a co-host performance with you, or it can have a solo performance. This was the demo just to show the user cases for the one-to-one. We believe that co-hosts um, are looking really good for being one of the very first applications that we will release. Okay, so is there anything someone needs to needs to check? I think we ran the demo for enough time. You can change all the voices, of course. Everything you see here is configurable, including the background. And there are also very cool stuff that they has made where you can create assets inside the game, and you can just spawn the assets in the game wherever you have specified in any place of the game. So yeah, we're very excited on that. We produced on Cascais. We showed it to some people from Livepeer there, and they were really excited as well. And we can't wait for our application to be live. I will not spoil you guys with what it will be about. And
Ooh.
once, yeah, and once we put out the open source game fork as well, we're very confident that people will, and a few tutorials, we're very confident that people will start building, and we're looking to also provide any kind of help that people need to be onboarded uh, on this, and to also provide compute to anyone who has interesting ideas about what to do with the avatars and the applications.
Yeah, honestly, this is super impressive, Define. So, congratulations to you and the team for putting this all together. I at first I thought you were typing, and then I realized you were speaking it, and it was
Yeah,
translating, and that was like pretty awesome.
yeah, and this is all thanks to the community, to the orchestrators, to Dane. Without Dane, we could have had the game to Agent SP, which was started the effort, and to everyone really in the community. So we're very thankful to you guys. And you have seen, and you personally, you have seen the journey from the very start, and you have seen the progress till now.
Yeah, again, amazing. Super thankful to have you in the community, Fine, as well as you, Dane. So again, thank you for continuing to contribute all this amazing labor to the community, to the project, and of course to building your own thing over at Embody. Super excited to see that proposal go live. I also have no idea what it is, so I'm excited to read that and weigh in myself. So, any last comments before we move on?
Sure. If you want to join the Embody server, please scan the QR code you are seeing on your screen. Regarding the proposal, we will be the proposal of the phase two, let's say, of the agency is going to end at the end of this month. We have uh, separated from the agency, as people know, but we are still the successors of what the phase two proposal was explained and was promising to the community. So we will take one more time from the end of the October, so it will be around the end of the November, so that we can have all the time to aggregate the data and be sure that all the core promises of the proposal are fulfilled before we can go back to the community for more funding.
Amazing. Well, thank you again, and amazing work. It's always great to see your updates. I feel like you're every time making leaps and bounds. So continue the good work.
Thank you so much, and
All right. Yeah, super impressive stuff from Define per usual. Um, so, now we're at the end. The regular spiels. If you're a builder, you're interested in real time video AI, want to join that community, want to build, join the server, and then scan this to get on the sign up for the API. And then if you are new, just learning about Livepeer, the best place to connect with all the amazing people, or I guess the amazing person you saw today, but all the amazing people in our community. Scan this QR code, and that will lead to our Discord, and you can connect with folks. And maybe if you're interested, make a proposal to the on-chain treasury, and build the world's open video infrastructure with us. So again, thank you so much for joining, and we'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.